Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini kita akan menikmati bacaan El Ahil untuk yang kesekian kalinya, dan saya akan terjemah, mudah-mudahan bisa membantu dan menambah vocab.
John had seen some beautiful little radios in a shop windows. He wanted one very much, but he didn't have enough money to buy it. So he decided to steal it. He went into the shop one day after his lessons, when it was full of schoolboys and schoolgirls, took the radio which he wanted, put it under his overcoat, and walked out. He thought that he had been very clever, but the owner of the shop quickly realized that the radio had gone, and remembered that he had seen a boy who was wearing a big, thick overcoat, although the weather was quite hot. He telephoned the police and told them what John looked like. The result was that, a few hours later, before he had been able to enjoy the radio at all, the police knocked at the door of his house, arrested him, and took him to the police station. There, they put him in a room with another thief, an older man. This man looked at John and said, "Why have they brought you here, boy?" "I stole a small radio," said John. The man laughed rudely at John because he had stolen something so small. "A small radio?" he said. "You should steal something which is worth a lot if you want to be a thief." "What? A radio? It's nothing. You ought to steal something really valuable, which you can be proud of, so that your name's put in the newspapers. Go and steal a lot of money from bank next time." John thought for a few seconds and then said, "I can't do that." "Why can't you?" said the other man. "Are you afraid?" "No," said John. "I'm not afraid, but the banks are closed at 3 o'clock, and my lesson don't finish till 4. Oke, ini adalah vocab-vocab dari cerita di atas. Pertama, little, kecil. Kedua, a shop window, toko jendela. Ketiga, enough, cukup. Keempat, decided, memutuskan. Kelima, stole, mencuri. Verb satunya adalah steal. Keenam, lesson, mata pelajaran. Ketujuh, full, penuh. 8. Schoolboys, siswa laki-laki. 9. Schoolgirls, siswa perempuan. 10. Overcoat, mantel atau jas hujan. 11. Walk out, jalan keluar. 12. Owner, pemilik. 13. Realized, sadar. 14. Gone, hilang. 15. Wearing, memakai. Verb satunya adalah wear. 16. Weather, cuaca. 17. Quiet, sangat. 18. Result, hasil. 19. Enjoy, menikmati. 20. Knock, mengetuk. 21. Arrested, menangkap. 22. Thief, pencuri. 23. Brought, membawa. Verb satunya adalah bring. 24. Laugh, tertawa. 25. Rudely, dengan keras. 26. Worth a lot, sangat berharga. 27. Ought to, harus. 28. Put in, ditampilkan. 29. Few seconds, beberapa detik. 30. Afraid, takut. 31. Close, tutup.
John had seen some beautiful little radios in shop window. John baru saja melihat radio-radio kecil yang indah, yang cantik di sebuah jendela toko. He wanted one very much. Dia sangat menginginkan salah satu radio tersebut. But he didn't have enough money to buy it. Tapi dia tidak punya cukup uang untuk membelinya. So he decided to steal it. Sehingga dia mencoba untuk mencurinya. He went into the shop one day after his lesson. Dia pergi memasuki toko tersebut setelah pelajaran sekolahnya usai. When it was full of schoolboys and schoolgirls. Saat itu toko itu penuh dengan siswa-siswa perempuan dan laki-laki. Took the radio which he wanted. Kemudian John pun mengambil radio tersebut, radio yang dia inginkan. Put it under his overcoat. Kemudian dia memasukkan radio itu ke dalam jasnya. And walk out. Dan dia pun beranjak keluar. He wrote that he had been very clever. Saat itu dia berpikir bahwa dia sudah melakukan hal itu dengan cerdas, dengan pintarnya. But the owner of the shop quickly realized that the radio had gone. Tapi pemilik toko tersebut mulai sadar bahwa radio tersebut pun telah raib. And remember that he had seen a boy. Dan pemilik toko itu mulai ingat bahwa dia baru saja melihat seorang bocah who was wearing a big thick overcoat. Seorang bocah yang mengenakan jas atau mantel yang cukup besar tapi tidak terlalu tebal. Although the weather was quite hot. Meskipun saat itu cuaca sangat panas. He telephoned to the police and told them. Si pemilik toko itu pun akhirnya menelpon polisi dan melaporkan polisi itu terhadap what John looked like. Seperti apa sih John itu tampilannya? The result was that a few hours later, hasilnya adalah bahwa beberapa jam kemudian, before he had been able to enjoy the radio at all, sebelum dia menikmati radio tersebut, the police knocked at the door of his house. Polisi itu pun mengetuk pintu rumahnya. Arrested him, menahannya, and took him to the police station, dan membawa John ke kantor polisi. There they put him in a room with another thief, an older man. Di kantor polisi itu pun menangkap John dan membawanya, memasukkannya ke dalam sebuah ruangan. Dan di sana ternyata sudah ada pencuri lain, laki-laki tua. This man looked at John and said. Laki-laki itu pun memandang John dan berkata, "Why have they brought you here, boy? Kenapa polisi-polisi itu membawamu ke sini, nak?" "I stole a small radio," said John. "Aku baru saja mencuri radio, Pak," kata John. The man laughed rudely at John. Laki-laki tua itu pun tertawa keras kepada John. Because he had stolen something so small. Ya, karena dia berpikir bahwa John hanya mencuri sesuatu yang sepele. A small radio, he said. Hanya sebuah radio, kata laki-laki tua itu. You should steal something which is worth a lot. Seharusnya kamu itu nyurinya barang yang lebih agak berharga gitu loh. If you want to be a thief, kalau kamu pengen benar-benar jadi pencuri. What is a radio? Radio itu apa? It is nothing. Ya, itu kan barang sepele. You ought to steal something really valuable. Kamu seharusnya mencuri barang-barang yang benar-benar berharga, which you can be proud of, yang bisa membuatmu cukup bangga lah. So that your names put in the newspaper, dan nanti namamu pun akan terpampang di surat-surat kabar. Go and steal. Ayo, sana, pergi. Curi sana. Lot of money from bank next time. Mencuri uang-uang di bank sana. Ayo. John thought for a few seconds. John pun berpikir beberapa detik. And then said. Dan bilang, I can't do that. Aku gak bisa ngelakukan itu. Why can't you? Kenapa gak bisa? Kata laki-laki itu. Said the older man. Are you afraid? Apakah kamu takut? No, said John. I am not afraid. But the bank all closed at 3 o'clock and my lesson don't finish till 4. Saya tidak takut, Pak. Tapi bank-bank itu kan tutupnya jam 3. Dan pelajaran sekolah saya itu sampai jam 4 belum selesai loh. Ya itulah, pencuri kecil yang lucu, walaupun dia suka mencuri tapi masih sadar pendidikan ya. Mudah-mudahan kalian jangan meniru ya. Oke, ini hanya sekedar cerita iseng, lucu. Mudah-mudahan bisa nambah vocab, wawasan, dan bisa bermanfaat buat kalian. Itu all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.